Hi, today I've ready for Realme C55 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So we should first get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why in the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes to agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. So here we'll see information about our battery temperature, and in my case that's 29 and 3. Also we get here more information like the battery level, health capacity, model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.